In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Webflow Zapier integration not detecting forms. Open your Zap editor in Zapier, using the Zap you already prepared during setup. In the trigger step, click the form dropdown. Here, show that the form is missing, or that the dropdown is empty. This is the issue. Webflow does not register a form as Zapier until that form has received at least one live submission on a published version of the site. Now switch to your Webflow project in another tab. In the top right corner of the designer, click Publish. When the Publish window opens, check the staging subdomain box. Then click Publish to selected domains. Give it a moment to finish. Once you see the green confirmation message, click the live URL link so the published site opens in a new tab. On the live site, scroll down to the form you want Zapier to detect. Fill in each field with sample data. As you enter the information, make sure every required field is completed so the submission can go through properly. When all fields are filled out, click Submit. After that, confirm that you see the form's success state on the page, such as the message saying thank you and that your submission has been received. That confirms the form was submitted on the live published site, which is the part Zapier needs. Next, go back to the Zap Editor tab. Click the Form dropdown in the trigger step again. Check whether your form now appears in the list. If it still does not show up, scroll to the bottom of the dropdown and click Load More. Zapier paginates this list, so newly available forms are often shown on another page instead of the first one. If Load More is grayed out, click Refresh. Then open the dropdown again and select your form once it appears. After selecting the form, click Continue. Then click Test Trigger. Zapier should now pull in the live submission you just sent from the published Webflow site, and that submission should appear as the sample record for the trigger. At this point, the trigger step has a valid form selected. The test poll returns your live submission instead of an empty list, and the integration is working correctly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You should also see the trigger step marked with a green check mark, and the form field should now be populated. That means future submissions to this form will trigger your Zap as expected.